How to set up automatic bills payments in Capital One. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you tired of missing due dates? Well, here is how to easily set up automatic bill payments through your Capital One account on desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, just click on the search bar and simply search for Capital One. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Capital One. Now here make sure to log in to your account and there once logged in simply click on your account dashboard and navigate to the bill pay which can be usually found under the pay bills or the payments tab, and there you can simply select an existing payee or click on add and company or person if you haven't set one up yet, and after that you simply have to enter the necessary billing info like the account number and address, and after choosing your pay you can simply click on set up auto pay and then simply select the payment amount, frequency and the start date, and you can also choose the pay at a fixed amount or the full balance each time. So here you can simply review all your details carefully, and once everything looks good, just click on confirm and submit to activate autopay. And with that you can always return to the bill pay section anytime to edit, pause or cancel autopay if needed. And that's it. That's how you can set automatic bill payment on your Capital One account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.